Hello everyone, welcome to Top Trading Edge Academy. Today 1st November, let's take a look at the market update. Well, today Tuesday, as we all know what market did sell off. We got a rejection at 100-day moving average right here. This is the purple line, that's the 100-day moving average. We got a rejection, but we got the support here at the 50-day moving average, which is around 382. That's the strong support for the 50-day moving average, and the rejection at around 390. All right, so the MACD looks still bullish right now here. RSI is little bit weakness, but these are short term. RSIs are always short term to look into it. But tomorrow FOMC meeting, guys, very important. So what do I see? What do I look at it for tomorrow? Well, tomorrow is, guys, volatile day. Okay, that means what? Well, market tried to did sell off, but we have still, there are a lot of scripts are oversold in market, so they might be trying, still they're trying to cover them up right now. If you take a look at it, they're still covering up. I do not see the trend line has been broken yet, anything on it, and maybe a day or two we still need to wait and see what market brings it in, what are their agenda would be. Whatever the news comes out, definitely 3/4 FOMC meeting, probably expecting 3/4. If the 3/4 could be a good news or bad news, whatever market creates, man, you know what I mean. I don't like to, that cannot be a good news, but you know what happened few FOMC meeting, the bad news become good news, and good news is also bad news. That's how they create. So what we do is we keep it ourselves cash 100% and trade as the volatility comes ahead of us, and that's how we've been trading on that. Other than that, right now, if you take a look at it in 5-minute chart, let's go and look. If I let me turn it on, my which you can see right here, lower low right here. You see it's lower low going, the steps creating lower low, but we have the support out here around 380. If we break this, so this is the scenario for tomorrow right here. If we break this, which is very right here, so normally look support, this is what I think, then whatever the market does it, we will see right here. Bounce so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We are testing the support. If this support breaks, right, then we could go lower right here. But if this support, which we are expecting, probably could be, market could be bad news, could be good news, right? Because everybody's bearish, right, in the market. Everybody's bearish in the market, so they could bounce. Hey, but this is the sloping support. If the support breaks, sloping support breaks, we could go and test the linear line, and this would be your double top right here. This is just a layout, guys. Okay, it doesn't mean it can happen. This is your, and this is the scenario to lay out if it is double top, okay, right here. But this is too early. We have the support still not broken yet. If once we break this support, then only I would expect to go lower. If it is support bounce, and we could go north right here, that can happen. So we can't forget anything. So this is double top M pattern with bearish pattern. If that happens, if we support the break, so this is the future layout. If that happens, if it bounce, absolutely we could go north, and where we could go north, how far? Yeah, then we could go north, which we said around 395. That would be 100-day moving average on daily, so we could go that 395 right here. Let me put it in price level. That would be our support, that would be our resistance right here. Okay, so these are the level to remember now. 380, okay, so 383 right here. If we break that, these are the level. 395 is the resistance, 383 is your support. If we break that, we could go and test the 376 also. All right, that's what the scenario looks like for tomorrow. This is the W pattern right here. All right. Okay, so that's this is the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario I just told you right here for the long term. Okay, this is the long term. So right here, W pattern right here. So this could be your long term. Long term is for this cycle, particular couple of week cycle right here. So let's see whatever the market plays right now. Still we are the layout is, I'm laying out the bulls and bear scenario, guys. Okay. Right. So this could be a double bottom on them. So let's see whatever market brings, guys. The most important news I noticed, guys, very important news is this is not a good news right here. More than one third of the US small businesses couldn't pay all their rent in October, guys. That is not good. That's not good. So normally what does it mean? Well, normally most of the businesses cannot pay their rent. That means very difficult. A lot of employees they won't be able to hire even later on stage because they could not pay their rent. Well, Amazon used to eat up their lunches. Now Amazon also, look at their earning growth is went down, right? 45% margin income went down on Amazon. So Amazon is not eating their lunch either. So Amazon is going down. Now retailer is going down. That's not that good for the market. You know what does it mean? Same thing today. AMD earning came out and AMD missed the revenue. Both EPS missed 68 cents, got it 67 cents. Revenue expected was 562. They got it 5.57 billion. And also forecast, they will also lower the second time lower the forecast, guys. Okay, so that is another thing need to keep it in mind. So that is not whatever is happening is not good. Alrighty, so let's go back to daily chart. So at this point, particularly, we just need to give a little time to the market. The tomorrow FOMC meeting, and we'll be playing, guys. All the volatility in the after 2 o'clock, market creates. So if you want to join, please join. We are always live morning 9:30, right? We are always 9:30 morning to 4 o'clock, and we'll be live also. We will be live. Jerome Powell, we'll turn it on, and be able to hear Jerome Powell. So please join Top Trading Edge Academy. Morning tomorrow 9:30, and also we'll be live. We will keep the Jerome Powell live here on live streaming. We are every day goes live, right? Okay, so see you guys tomorrow morning 9:30. Thank you. Bye.